my name is Aurana Miranda. I'm a student of Diana Swantara University. In this occasion, I would like to tell you detailly about OBH Kombi Batuk Berdahak Sirup. I think this good is familiar for us, right? OBH Kombi Batuk Berdahak Sirup contains ammonium solution, ammonium chloride, and soil and citrus liquoride as an active ingredient. OBH Kombi Batuk Berdahak Sirup works by increasing the body's urge to breathe by increasing the excretion of extracellular electrolytes and water out of the body. OBH Kombi Batuk Berdahak Sirup is used for the treat, control, prevention, and improvement of the following diseases, conditions, and symptoms like cough, relief, and running nose. Then, the following is a list of possible side effects that might occur from a constituent ingredients of OBH Kombi Batuk Berdahak Sirup. The side effects are possible, but do not always occur. Some of the side effects may be rare, but it could be serious. There are vomiting, diarrhea, headache, trouble breathing, ache pain, freezing chills, rash, dizziness, fever, irregular breathing, allergic reaction. Consult your doctor if you observe any of these are side effects, especially if they do not go away. Okay everybody, these are my explanation about OBH Kombi Sirup for couch with break. I hope it can be useful for us. Thank you, see you next time.